Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are discussing reduction formula but not trigonometric ratios, different functions. If in equal to integral log x whole power n into dx, then show that in equal to x into log x whole power n minus n into in minus 1. See here, first let us consider in is equal to integral log x whole power n into dx. Put that equation number 1. We know that whenever log term is there in the integral, the g of x function we can assume as 1. So this can be expressed as integral log x whole power n into 1 into dx. 1 is g of x, log x whole power n is f of x. So here I am mentioning that here f of x is equal to log x power n, differentiate with respect to x, f dash of x is equal to n into log x whole power n minus 1, again log x derivative is 1 by x. So g of x is equal to 1. By using integration by parts, by applying, so in equal to f of x log x whole power n integral g of x, so integral 1 into dx minus integral f dash of x n into log x whole power n minus 1 into 1 by x, this value. Integral g of x, that means integral 1 into dx whole dx. So which is equal to log x whole power n, integral dx is x minus n, take common, we can take outside, log x whole power n minus 1 into 1 by x. Integral dx is x into dx. Here x get cancelled. So x into log x whole power n minus n into integral log x whole power n minus 1 into dx. This is in. That's what they are asking to prove. Here in is there, means log x whole power n. Here n minus 1 is there. This integral value goes to be in minus 1. So in is equal to x into log x power n minus n into in minus 1. Hence proved. Here case is again n is equal to 0, n is equal to 1. So they are asking only n is equal to 0, it is not, but because log x whole power minus 1 will come now, so it is not. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 onwards it will come. So anyway, log x whole power 4 they are asking. So I am going to find integral log x whole power 4 dx is equal to. So that means I4. In place of n substitute 4, which is equal to x into log x whole power 4 minus n value 4 into I4 minus 1. That only write it better. So it will becomes x into log x whole power 4 minus 4 into I3. This will continue here. Integral log x whole power 4 dx is equal to x into log x whole power 4 minus 4 into I3, that is equal to x into log x whole power 4 minus 4 into, keep bracket, again I3, n is equal to 3, substitute in this. So x into log x whole power 3 minus 3 into I3 minus 1, x into log x whole power 4 minus 4x log x whole power 3 minus into minus is plus 12i2. Again I2 means n is equal to 2, substitute here, which is equal to x into log x whole power 4 minus 4x into log x whole cube plus 12 into, keep bracket, I2. So x into log x whole square minus 2 into I2 minus 1, which is equal to x into log x whole power 4 minus 4x into log x whole cube plus 12x into log x whole square minus 24 into I1. So I1, n is equal to 1, substitute here. X into log x whole power 4 minus 4x into log x whole cube plus 12x into log x whole square minus 24 into, keep bracket, I1, n is equal to 1, substitute. X into log x whole power 1, x into log x whole power 1 minus 1 into I1 minus 1, I naught. So x into log x power 4 minus 4x into log x whole cube plus 12x into x log x whole square minus 24x into log x, minus into minus is plus 24 I naught. So here only I naught value we will calculate I naught. I naught value, here you can substitute. Since I naught value, integral log x whole power 0 into dx. So wherever I naught value is x only, so we can write as x into log x whole power 4 minus 4x into log x whole cube plus 12x into log x whole square minus 24x into log x plus 24 into x plus c. So this is the way we can do, dear students, in integral log x whole power n type of problems. If it is log x whole power 5, n is equal to 5, substitute and so on, like this values it will come. I hope everyone understand, dear students. Even n is equal to 1 also you can substitute here. Integral log x, we know that integral log x, x into log x minus 1 it will come. We will move to the another reduction formula based on exponential function. The next question, show that integral x power n into e power minus x dx, which is equal to minus x power n into e power minus x plus n into integral x power n minus 1 into e power minus x dx. So first consider this one, integral x power n into e power minus x into dx. This is exponential function, this is algebraic function. By using Eilert formula, in the previous classes I discussed by using integration by parts. A is coming first function, E is coming function second function. So here f of x is equal to x power n. Differentiate with respect to x, f dash of x will become n into x power n minus 1, and g of x is obviously exponential e power minus x. By using integration by parts, integral x power n into e power minus x dx is equal to f of x into, what is f of x here? X power n, integral g of x, integral e power minus x dx minus integral f dash of x, n into x power n minus 1, integral g of x, integral e power minus x dx whole dx. X power n, integral e power minus x is minus e power x minus n constant you can take outside, integral x power n minus 1, integral e power minus x is minus e power minus x into dx. So minus into minus plus, minus x power n into e power minus x plus n into integral x power n minus 1 into e power minus x into dx. That's what they are asking to prove. So hence proved, integral x power n into e power minus x into dx is equal to, like this. Again if you do, it is going on like this. So hence proved. So in the next video, we are coming with integral e power ax sin of a bx plus c into dx, integral e power ax into cos of bx plus c into dx. We will come with these integrals in the next video. From our channel. Thank you dear students for watching our channel. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Palindra. Jai Hind.